Hi everyone, Sam from the Body Centre here. Welcome to our brand new product, TBC Skins. Applied like paint. Maintained like paint. Peelable like vinyl wrap. All with the protection properties of PPF. The future of paintwork protection. TBC Skins, what is all the hype? Let's get into the workshop and show you guys how we are now going to protect the front end of this brand new Porsche Taycan. Let's go. So guys, it's very noisy in here, so apologies. John is now taking a roof off. But as you can see, we are now in the strip and fit stage with the Taycan. Me and Nelly have now removed all the PPF off the car, the paint protection film, which as you've seen on the previous videos, doesn't come right to the edges. There was them little bits where we were able to pick it, and some of the original paintwork still showing, which that's PPF, there's no way around that. With it all off now, as you can see, it's left an awful lot of glue. There's glue all over these panels, so when it comes into the prep stage, into the paint shop, this is where we're going to have to remove a lot of this, obviously before we apply the PPS.
Dangerous old guy you are, Nick.
So guys, we are now in the booth. As you can see, everything is now masked up. Adam is now cleaning the panels down, getting ready to put the base coat on. Now, if you zoom in here, Drew, we'll just show you a part of this trim. We've actually masked up the plastic lugs of the trim, so when they clip into the brackets, they actually go in. Because this is so thick, this could have an effect of actually lining panels up and clipping them into position. The other thing that we're going to do, let's shoot over to the bumper, I'll show you this. As you can see, there's a lot of stone chips on this front bumper. So what we're going to be doing, we're going to be putting the base coat on to the bumper, which that will fill in all the stone chips on the car. So it's going to level them out. We're then going to be putting the exact body colour onto these panels to visually take the stone chips away. So when it's then clear coated, it looks like a fresh coat of paint. But you've actually got 200 plus microns of peelable protection paintwork. So let's now get into the mixing room and start mixing up the products. So guys, we are now in the mixing room with Adam. Adam has got his colour code of the vehicle. He's now going to be doing some spray out cards so we can check that before we actually put this colour onto the car. The colour name is Neptune Blue. It's a very nice colour. It's quite rare, to be fair. You don't see a lot of this on the road. Now we're going to be using Speed Secker. It's a water-based product, so it can go over top of our rubberised base coat, which Adam's now going to be putting down first. Now there's 3 scenarios of this product, guys. Usually it is for brand new vehicles to protect that front end before any stone chips happen. In this situation, the car already has stone chips, but we're minimizing repainting the front end with real paint, and we're gone for the protection and visibly removing them. That saves obviously the cost of repainting it and then the cost of protecting it. So basically we've gone down the middle with the protection. So when it is removed, you will still see chips there, but that's this scenario. The other scenario, the third one, would be a complete colour change. So if you have a vehicle and you're looking to go for a crazy colour, any colour under the sun we can do. It can be used for that, for full colour changes as well, which also has that additional protection in there. So let's get into the booth, guys. Let's hand over to Adam. Let's get this product mixed up and let's get into the booth.
Friendly neighbourhood MET technician. Martin Vaness shooting webs.
You are one weirdo.
ran up a check, I might do it again. Enemies close, had me thinking they're friends. 10 toes down, I'll be free until the end. Crib outside the city, I don't feel safe in my hands. Took so many years, I'm just waiting for the wins. I'm in debt to no one but the one who took my sins. I do it for real, there's no reason to pretend. If I do it once, I do it again. Add it up, bankroll, euro, peso, add it up. I'm just doing me, everything is on me. Oh, you matter what? Add it up, bankroll, euro, peso, add it up. I'm just doing me, everything is on me. Oh, you matter what? Add it up. Told her if it's all me, everything is on me. Gon' back it up. Matter what? Told you I'ma do me. Why you hating on me? It's not adding up. I do roll like a Mack truck. Country heart, I might cop a farm and go act up. Lot of scars, I was cold-hearted, now I'm back up. Keep it real, I do this once a month, I don't rap much. I just take the money and go stack up. Only buying car till you get tatted up. All that other bull, it don't matter much. You only climb me, I put the ladders up. No fault, I done doubled up on the workload. I think I fell in love with the bankroll. Pray up, get money, then we lay low.
So guys, as you can see, we have a Porsche Panamera bonnet here. It's a spare one that we had left over from a job. Obviously we put a new one on the car, so this is just laying in the workshop. What we have got here, we are going to show you how this product peels off. Don't know if you can see from this video here, but we are doing another angle from Jake's camera here. We've done 50-50, so this side has no protection. This side has the protection. So we are now going to show you exactly how it peels off. Let's go. So as you can see guys, it peels off so easily. The paintwork underneath is not damaged at all. It's exactly the same. And you can see the thickness of this material. You have to really give that some force to break through that. What I'll do, I'll just grab a pen and we'll try and I'll show you how we push through it. So as you can see, we get a pen here and I push that. Just gone through. I have to give that some serious force to get through that. What we're going to do now is we'll shoot to the Jake's other camera. I'm going to put some scratches on this panel here and then peel the protection off to show you how it protects the original paintwork as well. So we have a little thread here, as you can see, little metal end, little GoPro attachment. We put some scratches in this. We'll get, what else we get? Let's get key. Another key. As you can see, another key. As you can see, I'm giving this some real good grease, guys. So let's peel this off and see how that's protected. You ready, Jake?
Yeah.
So as you can see, all the scratchings here. Completely smooth with nothing there. You can see here how much force I put into that hasn't gone through. It simply peels off. TBC Skins, the future of paintwork protection.